Good afternoon and welcome back to RP&W Adventures. I'm Marisa.
I'm Brian.
And today we are taking you on a little adventure day.
Adventure day, yeah. We haven't did this in a while.
No, we haven't. We are taking a break from camping for the next couple of weeks.
Oh.
One, because winter number 2 is hitting
Throw
us
up the picture.
hard.
Yeah, it's coming in this weekend. So.
Yeah. So, and then also we, over the next couple weeks, are going to be working on the Tacoma build. And so at the end of this video, we will give you a little glimpse into what we have been up to.
Yeah. This video, we're just winging it.
We are totally winging it.
We're going to go see maybe a couple waterfalls.
Yep.
Water right there.
We've already got the snow and
yeah. We'll find some more snow and just have a fun day out here. We got a charcuterie.
Charcuterie.
There you go. And some liquid death.
Yeah.
So
what more do you need?
maybe some beer at the end.
Yep.
So
who knows?
Join us.
Shall you?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Fine OGers might recognize this spot. Camped here twice. Last year with our loaner trailer, but I was here a couple weeks ago scouting, and there was a lot more snow up here. Let's go check out this beautiful creek. Yeah, probably in the next couple videos we'll probably be back here camping because we love it so much. Such a nice freaking area. All right, on to the next.
we doing?
Somebody didn't want to go up any further, so we wanted to get to this waterfall right here, but it's getting deep pretty fast. So next time, and on to another waterfall. It's a Christmas miracle.
In March. Look at.
That's awesome. What?
I said, don't call them.
On all trails, there's a report of cougar sighting on this trail, so I'm calling them. Holy moly, look at that thing.
That thing is raging.
That is beautiful. That waterfall was amazing.
Mm-hmm. Lots of pretty waterfalls today. Mm-hmm. Right off the road.
Springtime in Gifford.
Mm-hmm. It's like a winter wonderland. Oh, there it is. snow is so soft.
It's fluffy.
It's so fluffy.
I love it. What's its name?
It's like a snow duck.
It's fluffy.
Looks like he's got a beak.
That's awesome.
Oh.
Amazing.
Wow. I was not expecting this today on our adventure day. Oh my goodness. You know, there's supposed to be a mountain out there.
Right there, guys.
Mountain. But instead, we got this.
We'll throw up a picture. And wham! Whoa!
What a fun adventure day. I love days like this where we really don't have a plan and just
No cares.
no cares, no
Yeah.
destination in mind, but just,
Visiting our favorite spots.
yeah,
Seeing some new ones. That's cool.
so fun
All right, let's get down before it starts icing up.
and sticking.
Yeah, the only thing icy I want is an ice cold beer right now. So,
All right, so those of you that have waited to the end, which should be all of you.
oh, thank you.
Should be. Here is the shots of the stuff that we have done to the Tacoma and the build that we're building out. We only have a few more pieces left.
Couple more.
Oh, so excited.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notifications. We have a video every Sunday morning, 7 a.m.
Yep.
So check them out. We'll leave a link in the description for some of our other exploring videos. And yeah, I think that's it.
That's it.
All right. Well, thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.